Rohan and Hasan are having a delightful afternoon together, indulging in their favorite foods while immersed in a thrilling video game. The atmosphere is filled with joy and camaraderie as they share laughter and friendly competition. As the game heats up, Rohan teasingly nudges Hasan, both fully engrossed in the screen and forgetting about the delicious food waiting for them. Just then, Hasan celebrates a hard-fought victory, throwing his hands up in joy, while Rohan feigns annoyance, the camaraderie growing stronger with every playful moment.